Every time I do a video on tips for cruising, after I've finished, I remember a few more. So here are just a couple more extra tips for those of you cruising, whether you've been cruising a long time or whether you're first-time cruisers. Stay with me. Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. So another couple of tips for cruising. One of the tips which I heard from somebody recently is about taking a water bottle with you. Now I must admit I don't tend to bother. If I want water, I just take a bottle. We usually have a drinks package so we can get a bottle. And quite often when you're getting off ship, if it's hot, they'll be giving out bottles for you to take with you, bottles of water to carry with you anyway. But a lot of people I know like to take their own water container. They can put ice in it because it's got a wider mouth on it. And there are places where you can go and get iced water and fill up with ice. So if you like to do that, my daughter, you can never see her without her water container. So if that's you, then you might want to take it with you because you can use it on ship. Now, another question people always ask is, when's the best time to book a cruise? Is it last minute or is it early? Well, the answer is yes. It depends. Generally speaking, either very early, like well over a year in advance, or very late will get you the best kind of deals. You will always find that if you book early, there will be times during that space that you're waiting where you will see your cruise that seems to be a better deal. That's because the cruise prices change all the time. As they've got cabins that they want to get rid of, they will put a lower price on those cabins. As they maybe get some cancellations, they'll put those cruises out there. But to be honest, cruises that you see online are not always the prices that you're going to get when you phone up. So don't be discouraged. If you've booked early and you've got a price that you are happy with, then don't worry about it, because whatever price comes that you see may well not be the price,